Hello there everybody and welcome back. My name is Daniel. Economically speaking, the exchange rate of birds is 1 in the hand to 2 in the bush. Valvo. I've got some weird nicknames. And speaking of bushes, we've been beating around one for a while when it comes to lines on the coordinate plane. We've talked about properties of lines and slopes, but it's time for us to take lines on head on and talk about the equation of a line. A linear equation is simply an equation which graphs to a line. A linear equation always looks like this: y equals mx plus b, where x and y are variables representing x and y coordinates, and m and b are just some numbers. Here's how you interpret linear equations graphically. For every point on the line, the y coordinate, y, equals m times the x coordinate plus b. It turns out that in this setup, m is always going to be the slope of the line. So m equals rise over run. And b